Did you know that Google Maps has an option to display your current speed? This feature, known as the speedometer, can help you monitor your speed while driving, directly on your phone's screen. In this guide, I'll show you how to enable this useful option on Google Maps, step by step. At the end of the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Maps application. Once the app is open, tap your profile picture located in the top right corner. This will open a menu with options where you can access various settings and information related to your Google Maps account. Find and tap the Settings option. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit until you find the option called Navigation Settings, and tap it. In Navigation Settings, scroll down again, and when you find the section called Driving Options, you will see the speedometer option. All you need to do is tap the switch next to it to turn it on. After you've turned it on, you can now go back to the maps, enter your desired destination, and start navigating. During your drive, a speed indicator, or speedometer, will appear at the bottom of the screen. If you see a number displaying your current speed, the feature is successfully activated. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.